Creating an account on SoFi Invest is a straightforward process that allows you to start investing easily. Follow these steps to set up your account. Step 1. Visit the SoFi Invest website. Go to the official SoFi Invest website or download the SoFi app from your device's app store. Make sure you're on the correct site to ensure your information is secure. Step 2. Click on Get Started. Once on the home page, look for the Get Started button. This will direct you to the account creation process where you can begin entering your information. Step 3. Provide personal information. Fill out the required fields with your personal information, including your name, email address, and phone number. Ensure that the information is accurate to avoid issues later. Step 4. Set up your password. Before changing your settings, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 5. Agree to terms and conditions. Read through the terms and conditions as well as the privacy policy. Once you understand and agree to them, check the box to accept and proceed to finalize your account setup. Now that you have completed these steps, you can log into your SoFi Invest account and start exploring investment opportunities. Happy investing!